विद्यालय परिसर में विद्यालय परिवार की ओर से आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत। उनके साथ है विद्यालय के प्राचार्य श्री धर्मदासानी जी, मैडम कपूर और दूसरे शिक्षक साथी, उन्होंने अपना स्थान ले लिया है। तालियां बजाकर उनका स्वागत करें। हमारे मुख्य अतिथि हैं गुजरात विश्वविद्यालय के कुलपति और विद्यालय डॉक्टर साहब गुजराती और हिंदी भाषा के बहुत बड़े विद्वान हैं। उनकी अनेक पुस्तकें प्रकाशित हो चुकी हैं। हमारे अभिभावक शिक्षक संघ के अध्यक्ष श्री देसाई भी पधार चुके हैं। उन्होंने अपना स्थान ग्रहण कर लिया है और हम सभी आभारी हैं कि आप सभी अभिभावकों ने अपना समय निकालकर हम सभी का उत्साह बढ़ाया है। परंपरा है किसी भी कार्य को प्रारंभ करने से पूर्व ईश वंदना करने की, क्योंकि विद्यालय विद्या का मंदिर है और माँ सरस्वती विद्या की देवी। या कुंदेन्दु तुषार हार धवला, या शुभ्र वस्त्रावृता, या वीणा वरदंड मंडित करा, या श्वेत पद्मासना। वो सरस्वती माँ, वो सरस्वती देवी जो जिनके हाथ में वीणा है, जो वीणा बजाने वाली है, ऐसी वीणा वादिनी माँ सरस्वती हमारे तमाम कलुष को हटाकर हमारे मन को प्रकाशित करें। रहा विश्वास क्यों, आदमी का आदमी से उठ रहा विश्वास क्यों, देश से दूषित हुआ है हर तरफ वातास क्यों। और इस समय आवश्यकता है कि माँ वीणा वादिनी सबके मन में कलुष को हटाकर मन की दुर्भावना को दूर करें। जयदेव देसाई जी, जो कि अभिभावक शिक्षक संघ के अध्यक्ष हैं, और अन्य गणमान्य हौले हौले मादक स्वर में गाती है पुरवाई। हुआ पुनः आनंद असीमित, हुआ पुनः आनंद असीमित, जगी ज्योति अलसाई, अतिथि तुम्हारे स्वागत में प्रिय बजती कोटि बधाई। स्वागत सर।
Our prize distribution come annual day. I welcome our chief guest, Dr. N.L. Ved, Vice Chancellor, Gujarat University and Chairman of our Kendriya Vidyalaya. It gives me pleasure to welcome the President, PT Mr. Jaydev Desai and other members, along with all the parents who have come over here to witness program. With this, I would like to put forth annual report of the Vidyalaya in front of you, sir. It is indeed with a great sense of pride and satisfaction that I stand before you to glimpse through the goals that we set for ourselves during this year vis-a-vis our achievements. As you will see, there is a very wafer thin margin between the two, as no different. Nearly 400 students have won various prizes in these competitions. Sports and games, the Vidyalaya hosted regional girls kabaddi meet, and our boys kabaddi team represented the region at KVS national meet held at Bangalore. We have 3 cricket teams, under 14, under 16 and under 19 in the Vidyalaya, and our Vidyalaya takes part in the tournaments organized by the Cricket Control Board of Gujarat every year. Exhibition held at KV Kent Ahmedabad, and out of 6, 2 exhibits were selected for National Science Exhibition held in the month of August 2001 at Guwahati. Master Naman Gupta and Master Bhaskar Bhateja of class 11 represented the region. Scouts and Guides, this year we organized a 2-day camp in the Vidyalaya in which 154 scouts, guides, cubs and bulbuls participated. 15 teachers actively participated in the camp. 2 scouts and 2 guides went for trekking at Girnar Hills during winter break. The expedition was organized by the KVS Ahmedabad region. Other achievements, Master Asankhya Sharma of class 11 was awarded a scholarship of rupees 3,000 by PRL Ahmedabad for securing first position in the science quiz conducted by the institution. About 300 students of Vidyalaya took part in embroidery competition organized by Anchor, out of which 6 entries were selected to be published by the organizers. Master Bhavani Singh of class 9th A and Master Ashish Gautam of 7th B were adjudged as the best students of the year and were awarded shields by the company. Staff and students of the Vidyalaya collected and donated rupees 49,000 to Global Cancer Society. First level National Science Olympiad was conducted on 1st of February 2002. 3 students of the Vidyalaya came up with state level ranks. They are Master Vineet Maheshwari, Master Ratanksha Sharma and Master Abhay Kumar, who are also going to appear in the second level competition. We have a very active PTA wing commander. The PTA has given rupees 15,000 for organizing the annual function. It again goes to the credit of PTA, which has given rupees 4,500 to facilitate scholarship to encourage our people. That is not all. This year PTA has donated 50 molded chairs to be used by the students from this association from time to time. Perseverance and cooperation from this association and are the only way to success, and we all in this Vidyalaya have left no stone unturned to bring this realization in the minds of our pupils. This probably sums up the secret behind the success of our Vidyalaya. We endeavor to continue this success story in the coming year too. I hope in future with the blessings of our Honorable Chair.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर।
Hey Saloni, it seems something really special is happening in our school today. आज कुछ खास लग रहा है। अरे, don't you remember? I can see such a charming and beautiful crowd gathered here. हाँ, बिल्कुल। कितना सुसज्जित लग रहा है हमारा विद्यालय। और आज इस सुंदर दिवस पर मैं सौम्या धर और मैं सलोनी दुबे आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं। We extend a very warm welcome to you all. We present an intricate mosaic of our random thoughts, reflections and experiences in this program. We hope that this program of ours will go a long way in encouraging our budding artists and motivate the others. Our journey ahead is long, but with faith in our hearts and wishing in our souls, we have set forth. इस सलामपूर्ण वातावरण को देखते हुए मुझे इन पंक्तियों का अनायास स्मरण हो रहा है। आजादी अभी तो लाए हैं, आजाद दिलों को करना है, कागज पर पूरा नक्शा है, रंगों को अभी तो भरना है। Yeah, very true indeed. But let's get away from all this and get into a light mood. हाँ, हम तो यहाँ नाचने, गाने और धूम मचाने के लिए इकट्ठे हुए हैं। Let the world be better and brighter for you having trod its way. Gathering the seeds of love and gladness, welcome you all to this special day. हमारे start our joyride. हमारे इस सफर में हम अनेक पड़ावों को पार करेंगे और देश की संस्कृति का आनंद लेंगे। Yes, we have it all. You name it and we have it. May it be a folk dance, a skit, a drama, an action, thrill, masti and mata. The list
संघट से लहरा के गाए कोई गागर भरे मुस्कुराए कोई। कृष्ण को छोड़कर अब हम चलते हैं पुरस्कार वितरण की ओर। उससे पहले एक सूचना है, गेट नंबर 2 पर एक मारुति वैन खड़ी है, नंबर है GJ1।
Our annual prize distribution. We shall now give away the prizes and certificates to our outstanding students for their meritorious performance in both academic and co-curricular activities. I request students to please come on stage and receive their prizes from our honorable chief guest, Dr. N.L. West. Now for the first prize distribution, we have academic primary for outstanding performance in academics. First, Divya Shekhawat. Please come on stage. Please clap and motivate her.
छात्रों के लिए एक सूचना है, प्लीज गेट नंबर 2 पर 2 गाड़ियां और हैं, DL20।
कुमारी काकोली पटनायक, थर्ड A. कुमारी डॉली गोयल, थर्ड B. मास्टर स्नेहाशीष देवनाथ, थर्ड C. कुमारी कस्तूरी मुखर्जी, फोर्थ A. Come quickly. Say. Master Deepak, 6th B. Master Ashish Rana, 6th B. Master Vineet Maheshwari, 7th C. First rank. Please clap for him. Tulip. Kumari Tulip, sorry. 8th A. Second rank. 7th C. Third rank. Kumari Abhilasha Senapati, 9th A. Third rank. Kumari Jolly Day, 9th. She was also third. Now for the board result. Today stood second with 91.4% in the board. And Master Akanksha Sharma stood third. Now for the 11th standard result, Master Akanksha Sharma stood first. Asankhya Sharma stood first. Second, Kumari Soumya Dhal stood third, also in the science stream. Now for the commerce result, Kumari Soyal Jain stood first and Kumari Santosh Sharma stood third with 72.6%. I think they are all absent. Jha sir could come in. Hindi Sule, Kumari Prakriti Singh, second A. Drawing competition, Master Rohan Joshi. Reading card competition, Master Siddharth. Again reading card competition, Kumari Prakriti Singh. कुमारी नेहा वर्मा. English calligraphy Dr. Kumari Dolly Gohel. Again English calligraphy Master Atul Sehgal. Fourth day. English calligraphy Kumari Nidhi Gopal. Hindi Sulek Master Arvind. Solo dance competition Kumari Shruti Gohel. Group song competition Kumari Shalini and Party. Group song competition Kumari Marlene and Party. For the juniors, there is 6 to 8. English poem recitation Kumari Gargi Varma. Co-curricular activities. English poem recitation Master Subhati. Come quickly. Drawing competition Kumari Rashmi. Shivani and Party. Group dance competition Kumari Jolly and Party. And Kumari Monali and Party. Highest attendance in primary section, Master Saurabh of 3rd B. Please give him a big hand. Best conduct and discipline primary section, Master Mishwan. Best conduct and discipline in the secondary section, Kumari Monica Tanwar. Girl, well deserving candidate. Best worker in the primary section, Master Ashwat. In the secondary section, Master Bhavani Singh. Master Abhay. And school captain, Kumari Neha. Please come and receive your gift. Master Prem Tiwari. Come quickly. Best guide, Kumari Neelam. Special prizes at the school level for science exhibition. Master Sankhya Sharma, 11th B. Master Kaustubh Chaudhary. Kumari Ishita Das. Master Kunal Sharma. Master Srivats. Master Manu Pandey. Indian Master. Now special prizes for the Kabaddi team which represented our school at the national level. Master Dron Pandya. Master Madhukar Bhagat. Master Dipanjan Ghosh. Master Vijay Singh Thakur. Master Gopal Das. Master Sarang. Master Janak Jayank Jain. Master Tapan Desai. Master Priyank Patel. Master Jignesh Patel. And Master Manoj Yadav. They all represented our Kabaddi team. Now the PTA prizes, which is a cash prize. Second C, Kumari Kapali Patnaik, Kumari Dolly Gohel, Master Snehashish Devna, Kumari Kasturi Mukherjee, Kumari Shruti Gohel, Kumari Akshata Bhatia, Master Akash Mehta, Master R. Suraj, Srimati Godbole Sanskrit Scholarship, which is given to students of 6 to 8. Kumari Shweta Singh, she got 99 out of 100. He also got 99 out of 100. PTA Merit Scholarship for scoring highest percentage in class. Late Srimati Shyama Arora Memorial Trophy for folk dance in the primary section goes to Kumari Kalyani and party. Kumari Kalyani and party. Now the Krishna Kumar Merit Scholarship for scoring highest marks in chemistry goes to Master Asankhya Sharma. There is a cash prize of ₹1,000. Now we shall give away the shields for the year's work by different houses. The shield for morning assembly. The runner is Ashok House. Masters, please come on stage. Mr. I.M. Sharma, please come on the stage. House Captain, House Vice Captain also please come on stage. Morning assembly, the winners are Raman House. The shield for cultural and literary activity, the primary section, the come on stage. The primary house masters are also requested to come on stage. Vice captains, captains of Ashok House also, please come on stage. The winners are Tagore and Sarabhai tied. I request the house masters again to please come quickly with their associate house masters and captains, vice captains. Please clap for them. Masters, come quickly. Come quickly, all of you. Students belonging to this house, Raman House. Any 2-3 children from Raman House, please come on stage quickly.
I see.
PA teachers also are requested to come on stage.
निमंत्रित किए गए हुए अतिथियों, इस विद्यालय के कर्मठ शैक्षिक और एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव जो स्टाफ है और मेरे प्रिय छात्र छात्राएं, सज्जनों और देवियां, केंद्रीय विद्यालय की ओर रुझान बढ़ रही है। इसी तरह अहमदाबाद में भी, इस कर्णावती नगरी में भी केंद्रीय विद्यालय की ओर रुझान दिन प्रतिदिन बढ़ती जा रही है। आज पूरे नगर में जब बहुत विपरीत संजोगों में हम खड़े हैं और पूरा माहौल बिगड़ा हुआ है, इस बीच यहाँ आप लोग इतनी बड़ी तादाद में सब उपस्थित हैं और जिस उमंग और उत्साह के साथ आप इसमें शामिल हुए हैं, वो देखकर इन बच्चों को, इन छात्रों को बड़ा हौसला मिलता है। तो जब ऊपर ऊपर से देखते हैं तो पता नहीं चलता हमारा शारीरिक, मानसिक, वैचारिक। जय हिंद।
बोला, बच्चों से कहा कि उनका शारीरिक शैक्षिक
As Lagan 2020. So here we have presenting you Lagan 2020.
Oscar nominated Lagan. Who thought it was on board? You thought who won and Steve were victorious, but you thought no. Welcome to Lagan 2020. Once upon a time in England, starring Asangya Sharma as Captain Russell, Gaurav Chaudhary as Jack Dudley, Shrivats as Robert, Credit Vashist as Tom, Sandeep Das playing Smith, our hero Saroj Raj as Bhuvan, Siddharth Parmar as Lakha, Bhaskar Bhateja as Suraj, my friend Naman Gupta as Goli, Abhinav Aswan as Kachra, Bhavya Pandey as Gauri. So here comes Lagan 2020, conceived and written by Asangya Sharma. Bhuvan and his friends got freedom from 3 years Lagan. I better complete this damn or else the boss gonna fire me.
Yes, that's too much. I've never seen more harsh labor laws. 60 hours a week. My faith is doomed.
क्या करो तुम्हारे काम सभी तुमसे कितनी बार कहा गया हिंदी में बात किया करो. I'm sorry sir, but I can't stop. तुम्हारी तो
आगली चल पानी लेके आ. अरे दूर जा किसको है? छोड़ यार, छोटे लोगों को मुंह क्यों लगता है?
हमारे आराम का वक्त हो गया है, तुम लोग जा सकते हो.
क्या हुआ करीना, तुम मुझे चिंतित क्यों लग रही हो?
भारत से ईमेल आया है. उनका आदेश है कि नॉर्थहैम्पशायर में एक हिंदी विश्वविद्यालय की स्थापना करनी है, जिसकी सारी जिम्मेदारी आपको सौंपी गई है.
ठीक है करीना, तुम इसकी चिंता मत करो. एक हिंदी विश्वविद्यालय D2
Yes,
show me. Oh my God! Working hours increased to 70 hours a week? I don't think so.
What happened, Smith?
They are going to establish a Hindu university in our city.
What are you talking about? How can you do that?
We can't let this happen, Russell. We need to do something.
I just know what to do. Come, we'll talk to Bhuvan. Mr. Bhuvan!
Can't you see? We are busy playing. Just wait for us.
I wonder what silly game they are playing.
Well, it seems to me like wrestling.
A new form of wrestling.
Hey, Bhuvan, stop playing this stupid game. We got something more important. Keep your hands in your pocket. You have one.
क्या वजह? तुम तो काम छोड़कर यहाँ क्यों आ गए? Actually, we have come here to talk about the establishment of that in the university.
हाँ, और वो विश्वविद्यालय बंद कर ही रहेगा.
But we don't want that.
ये हो सकता है.
Oh, thank you, sir. मगर एक शर्त पर. If you beat us in this game, then there will be no university in your city.
Okay, I extend my condition. If you beat us in this game, then we will leave this country. But if you fail to do so, then there will be 3 universities established here.
But we can't do that. There's no way in the world we can play this game.
Oh, David Russell. Challenge accepted.
बहुत खूब. भुवन, खुश हुआ. खेल आज से ठीक 3 महीने बाद खेला जाएगा. चलो साथियों.
Oh, Russell, you have dug your own grave.
There is no way we can beat them at their own game.
I agree we don't know this game, but 3 months are good enough to beat them.
But Russell,
That's final.
एक मिनट, मैं आपसे कुछ बात करना चाहती हूँ.
what? What are you saying, ma'am?
एक मिनट, जॉनसन,
Yes, ma'am.
मैं इनकी मदद करना चाहती हूँ.
पर अगर भुवन भैया का पता चल गया तो?
उनको पता नहीं चलना चाहिए.
Ma'am wants to help you. But why would she ever do that? पर आप ऐसा क्यों करना चाहती हैं?
मैं जानती हूँ कि भुवन ठीक नहीं कर रहा है, इसलिए मैं इनको बराबरी का मौका देना चाहती हूँ.
Ma'am wants to give equal opportunity to you.
अभी कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर रही.
तुम इस खेल के बारे में क्या जानते हो?
How much do you know about this game? We know a lot. We know that there's a line in between. Some players are standing on this side and some on the other side. The player comes from this side, touches the line, and says some words.
Kabaddi?
Oh yeah, kabaddi, kabaddi. He goes on the other side and wrestles with the player on the other side and comes back to his own side. मैं इस चीज का अनुवाद नहीं कर सकता.
कोई बात नहीं, मैं समझ गई. इन्हें कुछ नहीं आता. देखो, कबड्डी के खेल में प्रत्येक टीम में 7 खिलाड़ी होते हैं.
In the game of kabaddi, there are 7 players in each team. After learning the game from Gauri, Captain Russell and his friends became masters at the game. And what actually happened in the game, you will come to know about the game after the short interval. Intermission. This part of the play is brought to you by Nachu Cola. Thanda matlab Nachu Cola.
अबे वो आदमी क्या अंडा जो ठंडा मारा ठंडा. ये क्या तेरा
बिना टेरेस की बिल्डिंग बोलूं क्या तेरे को? अबे फ्लावर पॉट, ठंडा मतलब नट्टू गोला। ठंडा मतलब
Today is a very crucial day which can change the destiny. So, ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath and get ready for the sensational game which will be remembered forever in the history of England. And now, we begin our game between the two teams, the Indians and the Britishers. So, let's see what's going to happen. Both teams are like giving a challenge to each other. One is like butter and the other resembles the hot knife. But no one knows whether the butter will pass through the knife or the knife will crush the butter. So let's see what's going to happen. Here's your Russell, backed by his enthusiastic team, and Bhuvan with his killing spree.
साथियों, ये खेल तो हमें जीतना ही है। भगवान का नाम लो और जीत हमारी होगी। जीत हमारी होगी।
Friends, we now know all the rules of this game. But we can't play with only one rule. That is,
So come on teams, you have to do that. So here comes Hafti Yardley, crossing the line to hunt the ducks. Yes, Yardley, you have the power to show them. Come on, Yardley, he's here to hunt the ducks and he has succeeded in taking the goal into his pocket. Well done. Score 5-4. Don't get too emotional, mister. Better luck next time. And now, it's for the farmers team to open their account. Go on, crossing the line. Yes, you have to open it. Come on. Come on, man. Oh, but unfortunately, he has missed the target. And now it's a good opportunity for the home team to take a lead. Let's see what Storm can do. Yes, Storm. Oh, he has been brilliantly caught by the farm team. Yes, that's what we wanted. The score is equal now by 4-4, sorry. Score. Come on, the limping man, Katra, has crossed the line to show that he's far capable than a handicapped person. Oh, but home team has checked Katra. The score, 4-3. Oh, he has to go. You have to go, sir. Don't cry. Yeah. And now it's time for a short break. We will be right back in just a moment. Please stay tuned.
कैसे पता चले?
अरे भुवन, वो देखो, गौरी उससे क्या बात कर रही है?
तो क्या तुम्हें लगता है गौरी ने उन्हें खेल सिखाया है?
हो सकता है भुवन भैया।
भुवन भैया, हमें माफ कर दीजिए।
क्या हुआ करीना?
हमें पता था कि गौरी उनकी मदद कर रही है, फिर भी हमने आपको नहीं बताया।
कोई बात नहीं, पर भुवन ऐसे तो हम खेल हार जाएंगे। सच और साहस है जिसके मन में, अंत में जीत उसी की रहे।
So friends, I Johnson back with you to proceed a crucial part of the game, and the final countdown begins. So it's for Robert to gain some points for his team. Come on, Robert! Come on! And he succeeded in bringing the two snatching points for his team, which will perhaps lead them to the victory. Good, Robert. Well done. And now, Bhuvan, everything is up to you now. Taking the name of the god, just go and show them. Yes. The home team has get hold of Bhuvan, but he has succeeded in finding them out. The score is equal by 1-1. Come on, Russell. You have the chance. You have the potential. Yes, come on. Oh, but unfortunately he has missed the chance. And now once again, it's Bhuvan's time to show his potential of winning the game. Come on, Bhuvan. I'm hearing some applauses. Come on. Yes, everything is up to you now. And at the end, Florida State is proved as a last unexperienced home team and the Indians.
साथियों, मैं कह रहा था ना, जीत हमारी होगी। हाँ, सही है।
एक मिनट भुवन,
क्या हुआ गौरी?
तुम क्या समझते हो? इन असहाय लोगों को हरा के और अपनी संस्कृति को इन पर थोपने से तुम्हारी सभ्यता का विकास होगा? तुम गलत हो भुवन, तुम गलत हो। अगर तुम्हें अपनी संस्कृति एवं सभ्यता पर इतना ही गर्व है, तो तुम्हें दूसरों की संस्कृति एवं सभ्यता का भी आदर करना होगा।
भुवन, गौरी सही कह रही है। तुम ठीक कह रही हो गौरी।
जाओ भुवन, अभी देर नहीं हुई, अपनी गति को सुधारो।
माना ये खेल हम लोग जीत गए हैं और जीत कर भी हार गए, और तुम कैप्टन रसेल हार कर भी जीत गए। अब हमें ये एहसास हो गया है, किसी पर राज करने से कोई बड़ा नहीं बनता, कोई बड़ा बनता है उसे गले लगाने से। यू हैव वॉन कैप्टन, यू हैव वॉन।
धन्यवाद। Now, remember my friend, this one. A man doesn't become great by crushing people. He does by loving people. Love has got enormous power. It is the shadow of the ultimate and the principal jewel of man. The shadow disappears when it comes under light. Don't let it disappear. Don't let it. The only aim in our lives is to learn to love. The rest of the things will naturally follow. Thus ended the game.
But the story doesn't end here.
Indians left Britain.
Captain Russell and his friends continued to live in Nottinghamshire.
Nottinghamshire became symbol of Lagan.
And Lagan became a story.
A story that reminds us of our glorious past and peeps into our exciting future.
A story which teaches us a lesson too.
The lesson therein quite simple. To live, one must fight. To fight, one must have courage. And to have courage, one must go
By the law of the wild. Thank you.
Please give them a big hand. They really deserve it. They have worked hard for it. Of all our cultural shows. So how can we forget it on our annual day? So now, we have a Punjabi robots.
and you all have enjoyed it. At the end of it all, we, the students, are absolutely right from now. If each one of us understands this, peace and harmony would surely prevail. मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आप सब सर कबीर द्वारा रचित इस दोहे की पंक्तियों पर ध्यान देंगे। एक पवन, एक ही पानी, एक ज्योति संसारा, एक ही घाट खड़े सब बाजे, एक से जन्म। We thank you all for joining us and motivating us all through the program. Really appreciate your company, and the children who have put in a great effort to make this program a success need a special applause. Here are some special lines for these special people. Do not despair that you cannot change the world in a day or two. Instead, just give your best in the little things you do. Then you will find in days to come, when taken all together, these things they change and make the world a little better. Now I would like to invite our dear ma'am Anita Kapoor to extend a word of thanks. Dr. Naresh N. Jain, Vice Chancellor, Gujarat University, who has spared his precious time from his busy schedule this morning and encouraged our young artists. I extend my gratitude to President, Parent Teacher Association, Wing Commander Retired, Mr. Jaydev Desai, for being with us this morning. I am thankful to all the members of Vidyalaya Management Committee, Parent Teacher Association, and all the parents who have come here to attend the function. My thanks go to all members of CCA committee who have left no stone unturned to make this program a success. A word of thanks to all my fellow colleagues for their cooperation in the organization of this grand show. I am also thankful to lab attendants and Group D employees of the Vidyalaya for their time-to-time cooperation. I am thankful to Shri C.L. Kalama, music teacher of KV-CRPF Gandhinagar, who has helped us in the organization of this function. The children of this Vidyalaya also deserve my appreciation. At such a short notice and in such a disturbed condition of the city, they were regular to the Vidyalaya and practiced hard to make this event a successful one. Last but not the least, my heartiest thanks to our worthy Principal Sir for his guidance and motivation on various occasions so that we could present this gala show before you. Once again, I thank you all for coming here and attending the program. Thank you very much. Thank you.